How to minimize YouTube on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, under the Account tab, you will see the option for General. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the Picture-in-Picture toggle button you see there. Further, go ahead and open Settings on your device and tap on General and then tap on Picture-in-Picture 2. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Start PiP automatically, and with this, YouTube will play in picture. So this is how you can minimize YouTube on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.